Hi, my name is Nathan Doolittle. This is my week 7 video for geology. This week we had to learn about natural resources and different types of minerals. I chose to do sand and gravel. I chose this one because I found that there was a lot of it in Michigan, so I thought it was kind of cool that it was something where we're from, or where I'm from. This week I learned, or I didn't realize that there were so many different resources that we mined or we had to go get. I guess I didn't really think about it, but I guess I assumed that they were just kind of there. Um, and then I also never knew the process on how to get them, and I didn't realize that it was different for all of them. So I chose sand and gravel, which is mostly found in Canada because I did the construction sand and gravel. It's about 94% Canada, and then I believe Mexico was about 4%, so that was mostly where it's from. Within the United States, Michigan has the fifth highest. I believe that Texas, California, Arizona, and Minnesota were the only ones that were higher than Michigan. Sand is typically taken from pits that they have either chosen or started prior to. Um, and then, but occasionally they'll pull sand from beaches if they need to. And then gravel is mined using like a backhoe on like a small river. And then on larger ones, they use like a barge and they use kind of like a bucket concept to bring it up, which I thought that was pretty cool. I guess I never realized that that's how it was used. So I guess that would make sense that Michigan would be so high up there because we have the lakes and a lot of rivers. And then lastly, it's sand and gravel is used for construction. So it was like they use it to make concrete for road construction, for asphalt, so like driveways or parking lots. Um, you see a lot of like honestly in Michigan, you can drive and you'll see piles and piles of sand or gravel. But they also use it for concrete blocks, bricks, and then pipes as well. So I thought overall I learned quite a bit this week. Obviously, there's more than just sand and gravel, and that we learned about, but that was the one that I chose just simply because it's local and we have it here as well.